We have the highest score so far in the tournament of TOC 6 happening right now in this battle.
When you've been to the Final Four 4 times, I think everyone knows I really want it.
Big Jet, the stash is coming for you. This is my belt size, this is my ring size. That's all you need to know.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Follow me right this way. Give me a hand here, protein.
Wow, takeout.
French fry press, chanterelle mushrooms, New York. And the audience gets the choice of what to respin. All right, here we go for style.
My game plan against Jet is to come in swinging with a burger and fries.
I've got to make something that fits in a box. I'm going Thai or Chinese from where I came from. Spicy basil beef stir fry. Chanterelle fried rice.
Judges are gonna wanna see that steak in the final dish. If I grind this is a huge risk, serving something that's not gonna look like the item on the randomizer. I'm gonna French fry press potato fries. Once the fries come out of their blanching water, they need to be completely chilled in order to let all of those starches set so they can get crispy on the outside and soft in the center.
I'm going to slice the steak and twice cook it. You velvet or marinate it in baking soda, cornstarch. Those 2 chemicals actually denaturize it, tenderizes the beef. And what that does is creates a beautiful brown. It seals the juices in, but it's still rare in the middle.
I'm gonna put these chanterelle mushrooms through a French fry press and into my burger patties.
Cutting my veggies right now.
All it is a big chopper.
Look at that.
A burger needs ketchup, so I'm going to make a chanterelle ketchup in place of traditional ketchup.
For the chanterelle mushrooms, I take 1 batch and I start to build flavors in butter with them. I take another batch of mushrooms as a base of my fried rice. The last application of the mushrooms is to cut them into small bits and make a little bit of what we call prick nampa.
So I want to get to work on these cucumber pickles. So making a little pickle liquor, salt, sugar, vinegar. I want to keep them crispy and fresh. I love finishing my New York steak with butter, thyme, and garlic.
I start the to-go containers by starting with the chanterelle fried rice. I throw my basil beef chanterelle as the second layer. I add the buttered cooked chanterelles as the third layer, and then add the fried egg as the topper, and I garnish with a little bit of scallion.
First, I get my potato fries down on parchment, a little bit of that chanterelle ketchup, take my beef fat toasted bun, some of my caramelized chanterelles, onions, and mustard, my perfectly cooked New York strip burger, my fresh, crispy, and light cucumber pickles, before closing and wrapping the whole thing up.
3, 2, 1. That's it! All right, judges, we asked for go-to takeout, they deliver.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. It's delicious. The chanterelle mushrooms are cooked beautifully.
Chef, you nailed it.
He's the takeout king.
This is so good, it actually makes me angry. Show-stopping.
Whoever this chef is, put everything they had into this burger. I mean, using everything from the randomizer.
They just nailed it.
I've never seen a judging this close.
Chef Joe Sasto, Chef Tila. One chef scored a 91. The second chef scored a 93. The new record of TOC 6, 93.
Oh, butterflies.
The winner of the final battle tonight between Chef Tila and Chef Joe Sasto is...
I love you.
I love you, brother.
Oh my God.
I'm sorting my feelings out. It's just one of those nights when your competitor just does a little better. That's just the game, man. That's the game.